Hi Internet and happy Friday. I have a decision to make. Every respectable adventure boat needs a compressor. So I'm looking at a Coltri compressor at the moment, and the company I'm dealing with has given me two options for the same exact price. One is a factory refurbished 2023 model that comes with some extra bells and whistles, like for example auto stop and auto drain, which means that I don't have to sit and watch the compressor. It will stop when it hits 200 bars, and it will also drain out any liquid from the unit as it's going. The other one is a 2025 brand new without the bells and whistles. So I would have to sit and watch that compressor run for 20 minutes, and I think around every 7 minutes I would have to drain it manually. And when the pressure gauge hits 200 bars, I would have to stop it manually as well. So remember, this is going to be on a boat. So with the extra bells and whistles, there's more things that can go wrong. At the same time, there's less hands-on. So once I've started it, I can focus on doing other things. So if this was your choice, if you have had a compressor on a boat before, or just literally with your technical knowledge, which of these two options would you go for if you could pick one or had to pick one? I appreciate your help with this one, because I'm stuck in terms of which one to go for. Thank you very much.